Blender 5 beta has been out in the last couple of days, and it's packed with new features and updates. So we're going to take a look at a couple of those in a minute or two, just to have an idea of what's coming. One of those lovely stuff is the new array. And in the modifiers tab, you will find two of those. The legacy is the old one, but the new array is packed with some cool tools, and with adding it, two gizmos will appear on the mesh. One is the transformation wheel for rotation and scale, and the other one that look like an empty is to control the distance. So no need to jump back and forth to the modifiers tab to change things around. It's more like an advanced array add-on, and many of the new updates might feel like that. A circular array is done with clicks without the need of an axis empty, with other two method to explore. But the sure thing here is that the array is much more easy to process. One of the best features coming with Blender 5 is the override material for Eevee, since cycles have that, and it makes adding light more easy and accurate when all the mesh have the same gray color. But now it's all fixed with the override tab being available. Adding lattice to objects is simplified now with Blender 5, where before you need to add both lattice object to the mesh and follow that with a modifier. In the new Blender, you only need to pick the new option in the lattice tab to apply the grid on the mesh directly. The modifier will be added by itself, so it cut that step out of the process, making it faster. Other new modifiers here are the curve to tube and the scatter on surface. The first one is nice, to handle curves with profiles. I don't know if it add anything beyond the geometry tab in the curve settings, but the scatter on surface is cool if you want a more free approach on scattering objects without geometry nodes. It feels like add-ons implemented inside Blender, and I like it as long as it makes things easier and faster. Other updates regarding color management with HDR, as long as your screen support that, and things like surface scattering, simulation, and geometry nodes are there to explore. But I will leave that for the official version to drop out. And that's it. Try it out if you want and have fun. Stay sharp. Goodbye.